I know, like, what were you even doing going that direction in the first place?
See?
Like, why were you already pointed that way? And another thing that really gets me too is like, I don't know, like where you saw the clip. Like, do you use Twitter or something? What do you use? Like TikTok? What?
Man, I haven't really been on social media.
Then how do you even see that shit?
I've seen it from like, not gonna lie, from my teacher.
Oh shit! Damn.
Yeah. Oh, and from IG. Like I just be on. I be scrolling on IG.
But like, there's like hella different angles, which is like weird because I'm like, damn, did they like they really trying to catch this bitch? They really trying to make sure they recorded this shit.
What happened to the person that was driving the bitch? Like,
I don't know, bro.